Shadim Shuri. It is Thursday, Feb 27, 2025. Boeing. Attractive area here to buy. I did not buy even though I wanted to. The main reason is I have a put at 172.5. I wouldn't mind adding a whole bunch down there if the stock come down, but if it doesn't, then I will grab some share down here tomorrow. I just had to be patient. I did sell some more put spread below for next week's 167.5, 165. I even sell. I think I sell 162.5, 160. I saw two spread yesterday for next week. Got pretty decent premium for them. And yeah, I mean, 165, easy to do. Easy to add a whole lot down here. But for now, the plan is watch it closely. If Boeing is, say, 175-ish tomorrow, I will buy some share. I wouldn't mind grabbing some more share there while the 172.5 put expire. Yeah, I don't mind doing that at all. I would have by yesterday if I didn't have that put out there, but that's okay. Next up, I'm looking to add for sure to Martin Marietta. If you're looking to add or start a position, I don't think it's a bad spot down here. Sure, you only have I believe monthly option here. Let's see, yeah, monthly option, which is somewhat attractive. If you can get 440, 430, right? 440, 430, you might be able to fetch. Hard to tell. Okay, hard to tell what you can get based on the last trade. But if you can get at least 60 cents on that kind of play, that might not be a bad idea. Going out 3 weeks, why 4? That's way down here. Okay, you're talking way down here below the channel, everything. So that's about as safe as you can be. Now, if you want to be take higher risk, then do something like 470, 460, right? 470, 460. There, well, once again, there's no way to tell based on the price right now, but hopefully there'll be at least a $2 spread there. Hopefully. But I do like Martin Marietta. I like VMC. I would look to add to VMC as well. Let's see what the chart look like for VMC. Yeah, it's here. It's here. It's now 61.8 fib. It's here, right? So if you want to be cute, put in order somewhere down here. So if it revisit the low yesterday, you can. But I wouldn't mind. What I probably will throw in an order like 248. That's where I bought. Back on Tuesday, I had order in at 248 and it triggers on this overshoot. So I might do the same thing again, put in another order at 248. And as far as put selling, I would say 235. Let's see, is it something at 235? Nope, you gotta do 230. See, 230. Yeah, see, the monthly option is hard to play. I really don't like monthly option because the choices are so little. Especially when the increment is $10. That's too big. Too big. So I don't like it. Okay, so yeah, I don't like that at all. As far as options. Last for today, I'm like to add to MDU as well. I have been nibbling and adding looking good. You know, the position I paid 16.6 something on the average. So for now, would I add? I keep having order in at 16.6. So every time it dip below, I add into that area. So there's order there to add. I do. I think long term, I would like to build. I like to double up, triple up my current holding, if not even more. It's a cheap stock, so doubling up or tripling up from here is not a huge capital investment. But yeah, I like it. I like MDU. On top of that, the chairman last week bought $500,000 worth of stocks at 16.6 something. Is $500,000 a big investment? Not really. I'm sure his compensation is a lot more than that, but at the end of the day, when it comes, before I go, let me give you a quick take on insider buying and selling. Okay, a lot of people make a big deal about insider selling, and to be blunt, that it's dumb. To look at insider selling as a gauge that, oh, you have to sell because insiders sell. Yes, there are times when insiders sell indicate a top is in, but if you follow many insiders, they sell all the time. They sell sometime on a schedule, right? I used to work in investment banking for a firm that handle a lot of these things. And if you're a CEO and you're having tens of millions of your net worth in one position, it's silly. You need to diversify. And part of that is we will put you in a schedule to sell every 6 months or every 3 months. It's up to how much you have, how much you want to diversify, but it's a scheduled liquidation. It happened. Every insider have that kind of plan if they have millions and millions and millions of their net worth in that, and it is a concentrated position. But on top of that, many of the insider also get shares given to them as part of their compensation. So they are accumulating millions of shares worth of stocks every year as part of their compensation. So that's one of the reasons why they need to sell some to get the bags, okay? You don't get the bags unless you sell the share to get the cash. If your compensation is mainly shares. So the idea that many people talk about, oh, insiders, stop. Just stop. Okay, I don't ever want to hear people talk about insider selling as an indication. Yes, sometimes part of their schedule liquidation happen to be near the top. That's just what it is. Okay, it's just like people dollar cost averaging in the position. Sometimes they dollar cost average in at the right time at the low. Nobody want to talk about dollar cost averaging at the high. People like to flex. Oh, I was able to buy some share at the, yeah. How about you bought some share at the high? Now, to conclude all of this, when insider buy, it's a good thing. A very good thing, because they don't have to buy. They get compensated with shares already. They don't have to go out there in the open market and spend their own money to buy any share. The only time when they buy share is the insiders say, hey, I like the stock so much, I like to use my own money to buy the share outright. That's what I like, okay? So That's it.